Alright, it's Gerald, and I'm going to show you how I rebuilt my front bed garden. I didn't take a picture of the before. I started late with documenting this, but you'll get a chance to see what the bushes used to look like. So I had to cut out the bushes, and this is me continuing to cut out roots to plant the plants that I am going to put in. They're called Red Sisters. So this was difficult because there were so many roots from the bushes and the two palm trees nearby. So these are what Red Sister plants look like. I bought them from Walmart. You can see the price right here, $4.84. Got 6 of them. Also picked up 4 bags of mulch from Walmart. I actually need 5, so I get another one. But this is a time lapse of me cutting some other bushes nearby. The difficult part is cutting through all the maze and just the mesh of roots down in there. But if I didn't have this reciprocal saw, this task would have been much harder than what it was. It took 3 days to do it. Very, very hard, but it wouldn't have happened as easily as it did if I didn't have this saw. I got this saw in 2020. It's now March 2021, and it's just been a godsend. So those are the 6 Red Sister plants. Next is and that's what they'll look like when they're grown. We planted those last year. So next, I want to clean up the border stones from around the bed. So I use this pressure washer that my wife bought last year. And my daughter and I laid them out on the grass and cleaned them up. I put them on the grass instead of the sidewalk because I didn't want to lose water. So after they're clean, we get the water back. Once I cleaned it, I realized we didn't have enough. So I had to go buy new ones, and they didn't have the same one, so I had to change it. But I didn't want to waste what we already had. So after I put those down, I repurposed them by moving them over to the other side of the yard and between my neighbor and myself, so that looks nice over there. These are the 5 bags of mulch. Says that the color should last a year. We did red. And this is me putting the mulch in. Wanted some color up front instead of the darker mulch. And we've done rocks in the past, but I didn't want to do rocks this time. And that's pretty much what it looks like with the mulch in, and we're done. So, final project, and nice sun. There we go.